Welcome back. I know it's been a while since my last video, and I really apologize for that. With that out the way, I'm going to quickly cover the differences in the setup routines between Windows 10 and Windows 11. I wanted to do this video earlier, but I figured it'd be best to wait until Windows 11 was officially released to the public and was in its final form. These instructions assume the installation is being done on a new computer, a clean virtual machine, or a new or wiped hard drive without an existing operating system. For the comparison, I'm using Windows Server 2022 Hyper-V. The virtual machines are Generation 2, with each having 16 gigs of RAM and 4 processing cores. The configuration between the two virtual machines is the same, with the exception of Windows 11's requirement of having TPM Trusted Platform Module 2.0 installed and enabled. TPM 2.0 is a hard requirement regardless if your Windows 11 instance is virtualized or installed bare metal to the physical computer. For Windows 10, we will be installing the latest enterprise version, 21H1. For Windows 11, it will be enterprise version 21H2. For the most part, the initial stages of installing Windows 10 and Windows 11 are practically the same. Therefore, we're not going to waste too much time here. Make your regional preferences. Click Install Now. If you agree to the license terms, click I accept. Since these are clean installs to blank disks or media, select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. Click Next. And wait for the operating systems to install. Now we have reached the OOBE portion of the setup routine, where OOBE stands for Out-of-Box Experience. It is here where we will see some slight differences between the two operating systems. Select your region. Select your keyboard layouts. If, like most people, where you only have one keyboard layout, skip the second prompt. Windows may go out to the internet and get some updates. At this point, your system may perform a restart at this time. Here's where we come across our first Windows 11 installation difference. Windows 11 now allows you to rename the computer during installation. However, to keep things consistent in this comparison, we're going to skip for now. By default, Microsoft wants users to create, log in, and use a Microsoft account. However, this is not necessary. For Windows 10, select Domain Join instead. For Windows 11, select Sign In Options, followed by Domain Join instead. Enter a username to your liking and address the 3 security questions. Read over the privacy settings. We will leave all the defaults. However, each of these settings and more can be changed later. For Windows 10, click Accept. Windows 11, click Next twice, followed by Accept. Each of the operating systems will now finalize their respective setup routines and drop the user at the desktop. Since the Start menu for Windows 11 has changed drastically, it will automatically pop up to display the change. And that is it for this discussion of the differences between a Windows 10 and Windows 11 installation when installing from OEM, original equipment from the manufacturer, media. Subsequent Windows 10, Windows 11 videos will detail some of the user interface differences between the operating systems, along with differences in administration and how each performs in an Active Directory domain environment. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.